Okay, for question 18 and beyond, it's our calculator portion. So yes, we can use a calculator, but we need to make sure that we know how to use a calculator. So for number 18, we are trying to convert the radian measure into degrees. Now, for this one, we actually don't quite need a calculator. You can do the more traditional way, which is that if you want to change from radian to degree, you would multiply by 180 degrees over pi. Okay, and then you will see that the pi got canceled out, and then you can reduce it. And then the answer is simply 20 degrees. Okay. Alternatively, if you remember what we said in class, pi, it's equivalent to 180 degrees. So you can simply write down 180 degrees divided by 9, which is 20 degrees. That works too. Okay, so that's it, 20 degrees. Okay. And then we want to change the next one. We want to change the 86 degrees back to radians. So we say 86 degrees times, if you want to change it back to radian, we will have pi on top in the numerator and then divided by 180 degrees. That's how the degrees got canceled out each other. And then we try to simplify this. 86 over 180, and if you have a calculator, it's 86 over 180. See what it is? Okay, nothing more than just divided by 2. So 43 over 90. 43 over 90 is the reduced fraction. So 43 pi over 90, it's all you can do. Okay, it's all you can do. And then for the next one, we are trying to change the DMS measure to decimal degrees. All right, so now with the calculator, this it's a lot easier. Now, at the very minimum, we should know that we're expecting 53 point something degrees. That is non-negotiable. Okay, we have to have some sort of expectation. We also can expect that it's going to be 53 point something that is less than 53.5 because we don't even have 30 minutes yet. So it'd be close to 53.5, but not quite there yet. I'm expecting something like 53 point, maybe like 3 or 4-ish. Okay, so let's go ahead and use a calculator. So we have 53, oh, wait, hold on, 53 degrees, and then what, 25, oh, actually, I can just use this very convenient way of typing DMS, 53 degrees, 25, and 16. Now, of course, on your own TI-inspired calculator, it may not be such convenient because you have to press the pi button for a couple of times to get the degree, minute, and for the second symbol, you would have to do the minute symbol twice. Okay. Now, how do we get the answer? We actually do it by approximating. So on your calculator, you would do a Control-Enter. And, oh, now I got something like this. Something's wrong, apparently. Something is very wrong. It turns out that I forgot to change the mode. Okay, I forgot to change the mode. If you look on the left, right here, look at the left. I don't have a pointer, but if you see on the left, can you see RAD? Right underneath 1.1, it says RAD. I forgot to change it back to degrees. So I need to change it back to degrees and then click done. And then I'm going to do it one more time. Paste and then approximate. All right, now as we can see, I got 53.4211. Okay, it's the same thing as I expected earlier. Now, so this is also the reason why when we first learned the concept of radian, which is when the arc length is the same as the radius, I said that, hey guys, what's the measure in degree for 1 radian? It's about 57 point something. And I also said in class that this number would not be used officially in any of the calculation, but it's a good number to know. And for a specific reason like this, okay? So you're like, oh, wait, hold on, how come it's 0.9 over here? Why is it 0.9? Oh, because 53 degrees is close to 57 degrees. So then, that's the radian I'm getting. I'm close to 1 radian, but I want degrees. I don't want radians. So that's how I know I made a mistake. And I know how to protect myself from my mistake. And that's how I can survive and fix the error and put the right answer over here. Okay? Now, how can we express 25.234 degrees to DMS? Okay, so 25.234 degrees to DMS. Now, what I realize on your calculator is that you can simply type in the arrow and the DMS, or you can go to catalog and then type DNS. Okay, so I need to find out what this little symbol that I can type. But I forgot where that symbol was. Let me see that. Nope, that's not. N, nope. R, nope. That's A, nope. X, nope. Pi, nope. VAR, nope. Where is it? Yeah, that's supposed to be a little arrow thing. Ah, right here. Here, this one. And then you can just type in DMS. Okay, you can see the font changes as I complete typing the DMS. And then back to here, and then this is the DMS measure, 25 degrees, 14 minutes, and 2.4 seconds. Okay, 25 degrees, 14 minutes, and 2.4 seconds, right? Yep, there you go. So just make sure that you type in 25.234 degrees, and the arrow in DMS, and then press equal. You can do this in your calculator. We went over this in class, and that's also a little guide on Schoology on how to convert these degree measurements to DMS or vice versa. Okay, so that's question 18 and 19, making sure you know how to use your calculator to manipulate. Okay.